Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish wristwatches. Today, I want to tell you about the Rado DiaStar 4 Diamond Woman Watch. I am pleased to offer you a women's wristwatch from the Rado brand. These watches are made of ceramic, which makes them lightweight and durable. They also have sapphire glass, which provides a high degree of protection against scratches and damage. I want to note that these watches have previously been used but are in good condition and have no damage. The dial is adorned with 4 diamonds, which adds elegance and sparkle to them. These watches have a quartz mechanism, which ensures time accuracy and has a power reserve of 4 years. The case size is 21 millimeters, making them an excellent choice for women. They also have splash protection, making them reliable and convenient to use. I am confident that the quality and history make them a valuable acquisition. If you have any questions or need additional information, please don't hesitate to ask me. Best regards, your Citadel Watch.